Welcome! Having trouble with the QR code for your Xiaomi C500 camera? No worries, we've got the solution. Dive into this quick guide for an easy setup. Open the My Home app, tap the plus icon, and choose Add Device. Look for the Add Device Manually section and choose Video Camera. Click on No QR Code Available, Add Manually. Find your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 PRO from the list of devices. Once found, tap on it, and you will be prompted to start a reset process. Keep pressing the reset button on your camera until you see the orange light indicator. Then click on the button, Device Reset. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Agree to the terms and privacy policy. Then tap Next to continue. Connect your phone to the device's Wi-Fi network, which you will see listed on the screen. Even if you see a No Internet Connection alert, return to the My Home app. The connection process will start. When the QR code option appears, choose Connect Manually and continue. Your camera will provide a 4-number pairing code. Enter it to complete the verification. After the connection is completed, you will be inside the app and see your C500 PRO camera connection on the main screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C500 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.